Welcome back to the channel, guys. The Hyundai Accord is finished, outside painted, and here you go. And as you can see, the blend, it's near perfect. Garage paint job, shiny, shiny, shiny. Minimal trash. Door opens up perfect. This was the A-pillar damage. Came out real nice. Rear door. Didn't really do anything in here. But yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for the next one. I might jump on the 2019 Civic front end damage. It's just over here. Right over here. Yeah, so that one over there, it's got some front end damage. We're waiting for parts, airbags, headliner, headlights, stuff like that. And then stay tuned. That'll be coming up next week. Thanks again. See you later.